which services do the different laser manufacturers have to offer before the purchase? Martin Horn, our EMEA Regional Director, will share his insights. Hello everyone. I'm here with Martin Horn, who is the Regional Director of Europe, Middle East and Africa. And we're here to discuss today the question, what services does a manufacturer have to offer you before buying your laser machine? So thank you, first of all, for being here today and discussing this question with us. So I would like to hand over the question and the answer, of course, to Martin then.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, firstly, I think it's very important that you ensure the laser can do what you want it to do. Obviously, we have great ideas and great strategies. Let's make sure it's practical and it will do what you're trying to achieve. The next step then, from my point of view, is to look at getting some samples made. Let's get some samples made of the product that you want to play, preferably in your own material, so you can make sure it works with the materials that you're going to be using. And what you want to know is what the quality's like, the finish is like. So most companies should be able to provide you with a video of the samples being made, get the samples sent back to you so you can actually touch and feel them and make sure they're of the quality that you like. You also want to know some rough timescales based on that, so you can work out your own production timescales to get a better idea of how you build the business and the financing behind it, and really whether you want to explore further with this manufacturer. This is your first impression. You want to make sure you're happy with it, and then you can then decide whether you want to further your time with them as you explore into laser cutting or laser engraving, marking, etc. Secondly, after that, I'd really recommend go and visit the company. Two ways. Either have a live face-to-face demo, that way you can take your materials, look at the samples available around the showroom, make sure that there's all the type of materials that you want to use, and also a chance for you to see perhaps other materials you hadn't thought of. The other thing is then you get to see the machine. You get to go and touch and feel it, or do it through an online demo, as we also offer, and get a good understanding and ask those questions. But it needs to be live. You need to be able to ask those questions back and forth. And it's important to get an answer to all the questions that are on your mind. Okay, you'll go in with your pre-set questions that you've got in your mind. Others may come up while you're talking with the professional, and look at the types of lasers, the bed size, the kind of configurations you can have, some of the accessories you can have that might be able to be helpful for what you're aiming to gain out of the laser, and also look at the parameters, and obviously, look at the financing options and costs, etc., so you can look towards your own budget.
Yeah, that makes total sense that you get all this information before you actually purchase a laser machine. Is there anything else that is really important in terms of product demonstrations? Is there anything that you need especially to consider and to cover?
It's a very good question. I think during the demo, it's really important to try a range of different materials, not just the ones that you're focused on now, but also ones that you may focus on in the future. Make sure that you're future-proofing your investment as you go forward. And also test as many different materials, because you'll see a wide range in one of the showrooms. We're very fortunate. We have around about 180 showrooms around the world. But inside there, you'll find a huge amount of samples, and that will give you some inspiration as well. So test those as well. You're spending your time, you're investing your time, you're going to invest a large proportion of your money. So you might as well make sure you're getting your value. I think the other thing is look for things that you didn't realize could be done with a laser, because that will then give you further inspiration of how you could expand your business going forward.
That makes actually total sense, I would say. Thank you for your explanations.
Pleasure.
Is there, because laser software is very important when you're in the laser business, of course, when you're having a laser machine, when you want to work with your laser machine, you need a specific software to really use it. Is it possible during the product demonstration to have a closer look into this software?
I would really say that's critical. Okay, you're going to be using this software day in, day out to drive your business forward. You need to really road test it. Okay, make sure you're comfortable, make sure it's easy and intuitive to use as much as possible, that you feel comfortable with it. The other thing is you want to look at whether it works easily with a lot of commercial graphic design software. Okay, look at how you're going to create your designs, how that interfaces with the software of the laser. We're very lucky, you know, our software tends to work with pretty much every commercial software out there. And then you also want to look at whether that software gets updated regularly. So things like Windows and iOS, etc., all get updates regularly as they improve the operating software. And what you need to make sure is your laser software is going to get updated regularly as well to make sure it's always compatible. That's a critical aspect. But you're right, play with the software. Really have some hands-on time. Make sure you're comfortable.
Thanks for your insights on that.
Pleasure.
Is there anything else you would like to mention to consider in terms of pre-sales services? Yeah,
you want to make sure this is the customer you want to partner. This is the company you want to partner with, or the manufacturer that you want to partner with. So it's really important to look for ongoing application support. So when you have a machine installed and you get your training, there's only so much training you can take in initially when you get a machine. So you want to make sure that that support is ongoing for you, okay? And that's pretty much that you want it throughout the lifetime of the machine. You want to make sure there is a very supportive network there, not only within the company and the manufacturer itself, but also outside of that. One of the things we're very fortunate to have is official and unofficial forums for our machines, okay? And our customers create some amazing things and come up with ideas we've never even thought of, which only just adds to us in many respects. The other thing is you want to have a look at how often that you can get this information. So look at, in the nicest possible way, how much there is available on the internet through things like our Tro Academy or Trotech Academy, where we give hints, tips, how to do things, how to do applications. Look at whether you've got YouTube support. We're very fortunate to have several YouTube channels where we show you how to do things so you can practice and perfect it how you want it to have. And then also you want to look at the technical side, okay? So occasionally problems happen with machines, okay? You want to know how quickly it can be fixed, if they've got a mobile tech service, if they've got an email and telephone service. We're very fortunate with Trotech. We have a technical service in over 90 countries, so that people can be on the ground with you very quickly. But one of our biggest strengths is having that telephone and email support as well. So we can really solve a lot of these challenges that you may come across very quickly and effectively for you.
Yeah, that sounds really great, actually. Thank you. I think now we know what services are crucial actually before buying a laser machine. So if you have that in mind, I think you won't have any problems, right? You'll find for sure the perfect manufacturer who you can partner up with. Thank you, Martin, very much for answering this question for us. Of course, we're providing a lot of information on our website too. And as Martin already said, we would be very happy to answer all your questions together with you. So we are very much looking forward to talking to you, and it would be great if you could get in touch with us.